When I was younger, I used to find a state of flow just by picking up a camera. I felt calm but curious and very present. It was my favorite state to be in, and I loved that the camera gave me easy access to it. As I've grown older, accessing this flow has become more challenging. To an increasingly greater extent, it feels like I'm constantly chasing something, even with the camera in my hands. It's as if I'm hunting for a perfect moment ahead instead of capturing the present. And I think this shift from flow to hunt is hurting both me and my images. Rumi said, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you truly love. It will not lead you astray." As humans, we thrive when we can pursue our true passions. Finding my state of flow when I picked up my camera was me being silently drawn by the strange pull of capturing a moment of beauty. So, what changed? How did flow become hunt for me? It would be so easy to blame social media. To say I started to hunt to try and live up to the pressure of constantly sharing new images to feed the social media beast. And I do agree with Ralph Waldo Emerson's statement, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make yourself something else is the greatest accomplishment. It really is difficult trying to do things your way, to stay in a calm state of flow when the world seems to be telling you that what you need to do is hunt or hustle. But it wasn't the social media beast that made me chase the next instead of capturing the present moment. It was rather the beast within myself.
Now we really have to head home, so that doesn't hit us.
The first time I read the Rumi quote, I read a different translation. Let yourself be drawn by the stronger pull of that which you truly love. The differences may not seem too big, but I believe they are the very key differences between me picking up a camera to find a state of flow and me going out to hunt the next great image. I can spend a week by myself in the mountains. I choose to dress differently, and I make loud statements about being proud to be queer. I may come across as someone who doesn't really care what others think of me, or the things I do. That couldn't be further from the truth. What changed is that I started caring too much about making images other people loved. Feeling like I failed in doing so made me think that I just had to work harder. And working harder made every time I picked up a camera a hunt. The stronger pull became making an image that made an impact on others, and I followed that instead of following the strange pull of capturing moments that made an impact on me. Now I'm hitting rewind. I'm done hunting. I'm going to let myself be silently drawn to capturing the present moments of beauty.